Hey guys, this is Jaffry, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some money with Facebook Messenger. This is going to be really cool. You definitely want to stay into the end of the video because I'm going to give you a step-by-step method on how to double your money and actually add $50 more to this method. This is going to be crazy. If you're new to my channel, you definitely want to subscribe. I teach different ways to make money online. We talk about free PayPal money on here. We talk about other stuff. You definitely want to make sure that you're subscribed to here, and you also want to hit that bell notification because I have some really cool new apps coming up, brand new, that I haven't shared on this channel yet. I've been testing them out in the background, and I'm about to reveal one of them today, so you definitely want to be notified when I drop new content on a day-to-day basis. Okay, this is called Clio. Clio is a way that you can manage your money, and it also has a great referral system. So it gives you a way that you can manage your income, your bills or whatever, help save money, gives you different stuff that you can use, and budget. You can put yourself on a budget. Is really cool. It really cool with breaking down your expenses, all that good stuff. So what happens with this Clio is they have a great referral system that you can earn $5 just by linking a bank account. And I have a link to this in the description below where you can join through me. You'll earn $5 once you link a bank card in your own Clio wallet. And so whatever bank account that you link to Clio is where you're going to withdraw your funds to, your $5 per referral that you refer. So this goes along with Dash, Pay, Hooch, and now Clio. So you can add this to your repertoire. So this is another one that like DJ Khaled says, another one that you can add to your $5 apps. So right now, if you refer people to all four of these apps, and I'll leave a link, I'll leave a link to the rest of the apps that I've used that you earn $5 per person with. This will, if you refer people to all four of these apps, you can earn $20 per referral, and they basically link in the same card, which is the CHIME card or the Simple card. They can link it to Dash, they can link it to Clio, they can link it to Pay, they can link it to Hooch. So they all link in the same cards, which is making it easier for you to earn big amounts of money per referral because they already have the card and they can just link the same card through all the four apps. So let me just go ahead and give you the general overview of this. I linked my CHIME card here, and basically told me, I have multiple bank accounts. It's basically telling me what my budget is expected of. They showed me some of the income that I have in here. They also showed me, they also put me on a setup budget. Now this doesn't affect if you go over it or something. It's not putting a hole in your account. It's not that type of stuff. It's just basically setting up a budget for you, helping you budget your money better and actually help you save. So they're not going to like put a lock on your account if you spend over your budget or something like that. It's none of that. It's just basically giving you ideas of where you can save money, and it's actually helping you out. I needed this because I do need to put myself on a budget with this account. So I've spent around, the pay period that they shows was the 30th of April to the 30th of May, and I've spent around $471, which I'm probably going to spend more this budget so far. And so that leaves us with $695 to spend, your income minus bills, so whatever bills I have to go up to do. So this, I don't pay bills. I pay maybe 2 or 3 bills with this account. Have other bank accounts where I manage my money. So they just break down how much I'm spending, how much I can save. So they put me on a budget of, to spend $495 to the 30th of May. So, 200 in savings. So I'm actually going to put 200 in savings. And this is actually helping me, find out where to spend my money at. So after I put that into the savings, so after you link your card, they're going to go through your finances. And if you don't have anything in there, you can still set this up. You just want to get a general idea of what you're spending and how much you're spending. And you need this because I need this personally in my life. So it's basically a budgeting app. It's nothing more than a budgeting app. That pays you $5 per referral that you referred. Okay, so they put me on a budget of $49.54 per day, which is $347 per week. I'm not going to spend nowhere near that because I don't use this account like that. So they set up budget for me, went through all of the things, with the whole tutorial and whatever, and you also get paid $5 per referral. So let me show you how this breaks down. So if you want to refer people to this app, which I think people need this app because it's a budgeting app, people that sign up, now I wasn't able to get the $5 bonus because I didn't sign up through somebody's links, but you have the opportunity to get the $5 bonus when you sign up through me. So you don't want to miss out on this because it could have been $10, and I'm going to make a Pinterest pin about this that could have really helped me, kind of put this on autopilot. But I didn't have a link, so I'm giving you guys my link. You get $5 when you link your card. So as simple as that, you want to refer friends as well. Once you get your $5 bonus through the link in the description below, you want to go out there and start, linking people. Getting people to sign up with this app. Now, this app is primarily in Messenger. They do have an actual website that's through this, but in order for people to sign up, they have to sign up through Messenger. They actually have to talk to the AI system. You just sign up, you link your bank account like you would normally do. You can link, I think you can link them to more bank accounts than you have the opportunity to do in this one, but you want to continuously set up how you can set up how your income and bills go. You can set up different things with this app, but this primarily through Messenger. They have to sign up through Messenger, so that's why you're making money through Facebook Messenger, because you can get your direct link and you can actually send them the link, and they're going to have to sign up through Messenger. So you're making money through Facebook Messenger, which is what the title of this video says. So it's really, really simple to get through. It's basically a extra Facebook app that's added on to your Facebook Messenger, and basically they're going to send you notifications when you're over budget, in budget, when you make a $5 bonus and different things of that nature. So you really go ham with this. It is available in the UK and the United States. Also, they're going to be, obviously they're going to expand, but if you're in the UK and the United States, and I think Canada as well, so if you're in US, United States and Canada, you definitely can sign up. They're probably going to spread to the top 5 countries, English speaking countries, and they're probably going to go past that, but this is really, really new, so it's really, really simple to get set up with. Okay, both of you guys are going to get $5, and like I said, they're going to transfer the $5 bonus to your wallet. They're going to transfer they're going to transfer the $5 bonus to your Clio wallet, and then you can ask them to, you just basically message the AI, say I'm ready to transfer it to my bank account, and they'll transfer your earnings from your referrals directly to the bank account that you have linked to Clio. So whatever bank account you have linked to Clio, that's where they're going to send your deposits of your $5 to. Okay, so it's really, really simple, to get started. Okay, so once you make that initial $5 per person, I'm going to actually help you get another $50 bonus. If you are not with CHIME, you can actually sign up through my link, and I'm going to give you $50 when you make over $200 in a payroll direct deposit. This is a payroll direct deposit, meaning that they're going to be, and if you want another payroll direct deposit, is basically Dash. Dash pays through, payroll direct deposit as well. So Dash pays through ACH, which basically you go to Dash, you set up your bank account, you link your routing number and your checking account, and they direct deposit your earnings in there. So if you want to, not use your Dash for your PayPal anymore, you want to use it for CHIME to get to the $200, you can do that. You can basically just switch, and they'll have a thing where you can name your bank. You can just say CHIME Bank, and when you're ready to get your earnings from Dash, you just hit bank account, you pick the CHIME bank account, and you deposit your money in there. And once you make over $200, you're going to get that $50 bonus when you sign up through my link. So to the people who don't have a CHIME card yet and want to transfer their Clio money directly to their CHIME bank account, you can actually, make this go a little. You can actually add extra $50 to this as well by just having CHIME. And once you make over $200 with Clio or with Dash or a combination of both, you're going to get that $50 deposit directly to your CHIME account, and that's extra money that you're earning just by doing that as well. This is really, really simple. This is not something that you're going to have to work real hard for. Clio is really through Facebook Messenger, so you can just basically send you send people that want to get into this. You can send them your link through Facebook. It's really, really simple, and you can also refer people on other sites such as Pinterest, Facebook money groups. There's so many ways. And if you guys are ready to sign up for Clio, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Have a CHIME Simple or another card ready to link to Clio, And once you link to Clio, come back to this video and say I'm linked to Clio, and you are good to go. You are now making money through Facebook Messenger. It's really, really simple. When you want to check your earnings of your referrals, you can just hit check my referrals. They'll send you a list, a breakdown of all your referrals, and then you can add this to your repertoire of $5 payout referral apps. So right now we have CHIME, or not CHIME, excuse me. Right now we have Clio, Dash, Pay, Hooch, and Society sometimes, which is the other app. I'm gonna leave that in there as well. But we're gonna add 2 more apps that's gonna give us more bonuses. See, I'm setting you guys up for the long haul. I'm giving you a way to refer one person to all of these apps and earn the most money you can, and continuously repeating that process. So right now we're gonna do Clio. You're gonna do the rest of these other 5, which is Pay, Dash, and Hooch, which is also pay you $5 per person. And we're gonna constantly increase that income and constantly move forward with making money online. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys are ready to go make some money on Facebook Messenger. If you have any questions, comment them below. Anytime that you have any questions, you can always comment on these videos, and I actually get back to you guys, because the notifications actually come to my phone, so I can basically answer it to you. But Clio is in the description below. Go ahead and get started, and I'll see you guys when you're in and when you're set up. Talk to you later.